Hello, buddy. How's it going? Want to know who's checked out your Instagram profile? If so, watch this whole video closely without skipping. I watched the video and I'm going to follow its steps to see who's visited your profile. Can you folks see this? Let's get started with our video. First off, open up Instagram as instructed. Once Instagram's open, tap on the top right corner. Next, tap on the three lines shown here. Now there are 4 steps under settings and privacy, and since I have a professional account, you should switch to a professional account as well. Okay? Down below, you need to click on For Professional. If it's not there, hit Settings and Privacy. Alright? After clicking, head over to the Professional section, then to Account Type or Tools, switch to a professional account, and follow the following steps. Is that good? That's the first step done. Let's move on to the second step. Go to our profile and tap on the professional dashboard. Sound good? Here you'll see options like brand partnerships. Just tap on account insights to see who viewed my reel. If we go back, let's check out the insights and other tools here. Brand partnership, ad tools, etc., whatever's available. From here, you'll figure it out. You also need to check your account overview. Then the third step is figuring out who's visiting. Now close this and look for the Instagram profile visitor tracker tool as mentioned.